Welcome, in front of me is a ZTE Axon 11, and today I'll show you how to record screen on the device. And to get started, all you need to do is pull down the notification panel and find the screen recording toggle, which for me is right over here. Now before you actually tap on it, I suggest you to hold it. This will take us to the settings where you can change things like video quality and set it from medium to high, which will increase the resolution so the video will look a little bit better. And also you have the option to record your touch. So whatever you will be touching, it will create a little gray semi-transparent dot to, well, so on the recording you know where a person was touching the display. So this is a completely optional function. If you want it, you can enable it. If you don't, you can disable it. It's a good option if you're trying to show someone how to do something, but if you're, for instance, recording some game, mobile game, I think disabling it would be a little bit better. Otherwise it might seem a little bit intrusive. So once you have set those two things, simply tap on a toggle, and as you can see, you need to click on it again and it will start recording. Now whatever I will do will be now recorded, and once you're done with it, simply tap on the square and this will stop the recording, and it automatically gets saved to our photo gallery. So let's open it up, and there it is. So that's the recording. And let me quickly mute it up. As you can see, that's basically the recording. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.